For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. CAF Champions League, second preliminary round between Sundowns and Remo Stars. Sundowns winning by 2-0, making sure ukuthi bayodlala ke i-CAF Champions League, group stages, andazi ukuthi for the how many time since they won it in 2016. Nalapho ke babengena khona apha koMr Nkewu sinomnyango oyi-1 anikawubona umnyango ngapha back, but ke Sundowns 2016 kulapho bebephume khona ke ngalo mnyango singena kuwo bongena ngomnye umnyango singawaziyo ngapha, but they went on to win the CAF Champions League ngalo nyaka lo, so you have to respect them. Namhlanje ke bedlala ke neRemo Stars yase Nigeria, bayibethe ngo 2-0, 7-1 on aggregate. Wow, Sundowns. There are a couple of teams who abazibekele indawo kwi group stages. Abanye bazamane bethunya ukuthi okay, yane Morocco, bebethunya ukuthi yane Nigeria kwi group stages. Abantu abadala bazabe lapha endlini ke begade umzi. Senze sure ukuthi abantwana bamosha endlini. Bumkile uno 20 points mhlawumbe kwi league. Xa ubuya uzabuyisa la 20 points bobuzini. Uzabuya if ubumke udlale 8 games, uzabuya usadlale 8 games. Mhlobam, ngikubulise kunjalo.
Ngiyaphila sheni kunjani?
I'm okay my brother. I'm okay.
Why ugcoka leskipa lesi namhlanje?
Ufuna ngigcoke siphi? Ufuna ngigcoke siphi?
Ngiyabuza mngani wami.
No, mhlobam, ufuna ngigcoke siphi?
Ngiyacala ukubona ugcoke leskipa. Ngaphandle.
Hayi. Bomzini.
Sitshentshile izinto. Ay, all right.
You're having a good day, yeah?
You're
having a good day.
Ngibuza ukukhuluma ngomnyango, ngisalalela ukuthi lo mnyango ekhulunywa ngawo.
You're having a good day. All right.
No, ngiyabona mngani wami, sengimali ngiyakubuza ukuthi usharp, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi bengihlezi nawe la noLindo. Ngibonile uLindo ugcina wabuza naye. So yeah, ithi ngibulise i-team yonke la studio. Eish.
Hey. All right.
Yeah, mngani wami, ngaphandle kwami ukuthi ngibeduze kwakho ngiyazi ukuthi angekube sharp. So into engayisho sheni ukuthi kumele ukuthi silungise ngaso sonke isikhathi la kumoshakala khona. I trust i-team efana ne-Orlando Pirates. So unlike for into enzeke yesterday, bengi-expect i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi iqhubeke. Phela ngaphandle ukuthi iqhubeke lama team adlala CAF Champions League, umsebenzi uba ngenye indlela kithi. Kumele ukuthi siphelele sonke sibe happy la. Kungabi nabantu ukuthi mase sisebenza abanye ngathi abasasebenze ngendlela right. So sibonile le Chiefs iwina ku confed today. Into right kakhulu. Shane ngithi ngibongise iKaizer Chiefs, ngibongise neMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ba qualifyele ama group stages. Shane iSundowns yazi ukuthi i-daily bread for bona kulesikhathi samanje ukuthi badlale ama group stages we-CAF Champions League. So into right le Shane ukubona lama qembu achubekela phambili ayongena kuma group stages.
Well, umdlalo namhlanje ubone njani? Second leg.
Shane umdlalo namhlanje ungenye indlela. iSundowns icede umsebenzi wayo last week uma yodlala away. Namhlanje be manage game Shane. And ukhona ukubona ukuthi if abadlali bangekho under pressure, technical team ingekho under pressure, bakwazi ukudlala the way team kumele idlale ngakhona. Ngendlela i-team idlala ngakhona, if ungekho under pressure ungakwazi ukudlala. So thina sinokuthi sometimes sibabheke la khona ba under pressure uthola ukuthi bafuna ukugrind ama results. So kube nzima for bona. But ngibone the way ucoach eze ngakhona, uyabona ukuthi ufuna ukugcina i-chemistry yalabadlali, especially la ku CAF Champions League. Akafuni ukuthi abadedele mhlawumbe ahlakazele ya first team, their first 11 yakhe ukuthi mhlawumbe introduce abanye abadlali because of beka leader nge 5-1 aggregate. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi into emenza ukuthi ufuna ukuthi labadlali the likes of Abotebza, mina bengicabanga ukuthi banga rest. Ukhumbule ukuthi ngendlela ngibona ngakhona na ngendlela i-technical team icabanga ngakhona angeke kufane. Bona ngiyacabanga ukuthi babheke lento ukuthi asikhiphe le chemistry, bajwayelane the way sifuna abadlali ngakhona labadlali. So ngiyacabanga kuzoyenza ukuthi umsebenzi ube lula for bona. Remember ukuthi kune game ekumele bayidlale after le game namhlanje ebaleke kakhulu nayo kuMamelodi Sundowns. So kuyafuneka ukuthi labadlali ubanikeze because bazoba nesikhathi sokurest. I think plus or minus 7 days before bayodlala leya game abayodlala, but I don't know ukuthi badlala nani njengoba ngisho ukuthi ibalekile each and every game kuMamelodi Sundowns. So Shane, the way coach coach Cardoso enza ngakhona ngiyacabanga vele abaningi bazibuzile ukuthi wayanganikezanga labadlali abanye
mhlawumbe lapho you don't know Sundowns dlala nani next game.
No, but idlala igame ebalekile because each and every game ku-Sundowns ibalekile. So I'm not sure ukuthi idlala nani. But kune team ekumele ize eLoftus or eAtreshville. Yeah, ngezi 1. Ngiyacabanga igame ekumele idlale eSundowns.
Uyazi ba mhlawumbe one of the reasons ungasayazi is because in your previous 3 official games against this team you are winless against them.
Iple team manje. Le ngikhumbula yona ukuthi angaze ngiwine kulama game adlulile 3 Orlando Pirates.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Ongidlala Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
All right, Shane. So
okay, there's a leader in El Clasico. I think Real Madrid has scored. It's 1-0.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my team.
Okay.
That's my team in Spain.
Oh.
Yeah. So Shane, lento yazi kanje Brian. Uma ungabheka the way Sundowns njengoba ngisho ukuthi bedlala ngakhona. Bheka from emuva. Ngiyabonga ukuthi banikeze uNyango I chance today ukuthi abiyele lapho kule position. Siyambona namhlanje ukhona even though beyanga nama save amaningi because leya team sibonile Shane ukuthi bekungasi team ebonakala ngathi iyafuna ukuthi ipunish Sundowns. Kunala iSundowns beyilahla khona emuva uma ngifuna ukukutshela. Kunala beyithi khona mayithi ishaya mhlawumbe le highline bahluleka ukudefenda lawo mabhola. La khona bathola lawo ma chances lamajita bahluleka ukuconvert. Nabo bakubonisa ukuthi abekho strong enough ukuthi bangaba kule standard iSundowns ekuso because bekufanele angeke bakudle ekhaya nga5-1 expect ukuthi le team izofika ibeat iMamelodi Sundowns. Yes, it's football but akukho lulu, you understand. So uma ungabheka lama chances abatholile lamajita kunama mistake iSundowns ewenzile lapha emuva ukuthi wine ngathunile akusho ukuthi lama mistake asikawaboni, especially la khona kumele ukuthi ba make sure ukuthi abanikezi iopponent creativity especially ukuthi bafike ku final third abanye bazokupunisha Shane
but they play that highlight next week.
Yeah, next week
You must play that.
no it depends igame approach kanjani approach ama game ngendlela efanayo the way ubona uObre ubona ukhulisa khuphuka ngakhona akusiwo wonke ama game abangakhuphuka la khona sibona ba drop Debs ubonile ukuphuma kwa Debs ukuthi kube khona nembobe bakhona la kule midfield eMamelodi Sundowns ukungena kwa Obas. Yes, he did very well Obas, but uma ungabheka the way labafana bese bazama ukubreaka ngakhona nabo bese babona ukuthi lo muntu ofana no Debza the way beka yenza shifting yakhe ngakhona kulesisu bebangakhona ukuthi bathole lawo ma pockets, but ngibonile ukuthi bese bazama ukuthi basinikeze problem Shane namajita la kulama chances ebawatholile. So Sundowns played very well. Buka midfield eSundowns Shane ubheke the way ba combine ngakhona no Shasha up front. I think uShasha ulinda uceda ukuyisho. I think he played very well Shane. Bheka the way uShasha enza ama run ngakhona off the ball. Ununo ngitshelile ngathi uNuno udlala ibhola angakalibambi. Udlala ibhola lesangakafiki kuye. You need abadlali abafana nabo Nuno, abadlali abakwazi ukuthi uShane uma ngila I know ukuthi uzowenza run ku left wami. Kumele ngithathe ibhola ngilibeke kuphi. So always uaware ngokuthi i-positioning yama teammates wakhe ime kanjani if ibhola lisangakafiki kuye. That's why kube lula for yena ukuthi uma lifika already kudala aqeda ukucabanga, just release the ball because amanye ama run kumele wa respect njengoba ulinda aqeda ukusho.
Before Sivala, Bobzin,
Yeah.
There's a striker that you signed, I think, towards the end of last season, Lebo Motiba. He used to play in France, if I'm not mistaken. He came in also, Manamhlanje. Lebo Motiba, Bobzin, you are about to play group stages at CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
Siyago December, very soon. By the time we are January, sabe second round where Betway Premiership. What do you think are the plans as coach about Lebo Motiba? Do you see ukuthi unendawo kula front 3 or kula front 2 ye Sundowns going forward?
So far that is why umbone the way bamdlalisa ngakhona. Angeke angene khona uShasha khona Renas the way umbona so far angakhona umdlalo ofana no Lebu because uLebu manje ngibona ngathi frustrated. Remember Shane ukuthi uma uyi-striker sometimes if you are not scoring or awubi nalento mhlawumbe ukuthi ube nama assist egamini kuyakwenza ukuthi ungabi ne confidence Shane. So umdlalo ofana no Lebu akazama ukulungisa lento yokudlala ibhola kuqala before angafuna ukuthi anikeze Sundowns amagoli. I know ukuthi uqashelwe lokho ukuthi kumele score amagoli, but bheka ukuthi Sundowns idlala kanjani Shane because ungambheka manje ibhola mangamnikeza enyaweni sometimes kuba nzima for yena ukuthi a receive pass uzwaluza lawo mabhola and sizobona kwangathi uyasiminus egamini so akafocus mhlawumbe ekudlaleni kwebhola kuqala but akwazi ukuthi udlalela kuyiphi area because mina into engisho ngayo ama area ball I know ukuthi uzosinceda kakhulu especially mangabe sidlala ne team ene physique ena everything lapha emuva you need abadlali abafana nabo nabo Shasha just ukuthi sometimes kumele babhulishe because kunama second ball angalenda la khona mhlambe kube khona no contest emoyeni la second ball mhlambe silithole silivalele neteam but so far angiboni ukuthi ithuba uzoba nalo ukuthi angayithola ichance kukhona uShasha kukhona uReynolds up front kuMamelodi Sundowns chain.
Well, Bobzin, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Samani kilo le match Aston Villa ne Manchester City, but Madrid belida ngo 1-0. I hope ukuthi iscore senjalo. Yeah, it's still 1-0. Real Madrid are leading.
Ukhona lo ufuna ama favor khona la.
Barcelona. No. Oh. Ama favor ndwenzelwe izo Liverpool lost. They played into enhle bayenze into enhle kakhulu ngoluzo zona. They lost to Brentford I think by 3-2. Arsenal ugqibela kwambilida ngo 1-0. Andikayazi ukuthi iphele njani nalo game leyo but zizinto ekusuppose ukuthi ziyenzeka ku football. Ezo pha kwi Barclays, I mean English Premier League. I try Barclays kudala bathi English Premier League now. But ke bese thina ke CAF Champions League kule weekend apha eMzantsi Afrika. Bikhona ke ne Carling Knockout Cup games ebezidlala namhlanje but CAF Champions League it's Sundowns 2 Remo Stars 0. Sundowns are through to the group stages of CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns winning on aggregate by 7 goals to 1. Making sure ukuthi ke bayaqhubekeka ke nodlala ke CAF Champions League. Asazi ke this season ukuthi bazawujika phina bazazikhethela. Maybe they might decide to win it finally this season. But as I said last week, ukuthi in order to win the big thing, uJusta if bevumile kuluza apha bezawuyazi kasithetha ngento yomnikelo ukuthi uyanikela ukuze ufumane into enkulu. So if abantu bazawunikela ngento ezincinci they still gonna come back home empty-handed. They need to hand over that big thing in order for them to win that big thing. Uba uyayazi le nto ayidinga ukuthi ayidlulise. If akafuna udlulisa ixhomeke kuye. If akafuna udlulisa
kumele
then ke
ivale Shane but kumele uqale wena ngibone usacrifice nga something before uzothola lokho ubona ngathi kubalekile kuwe. Kukhona lokumele usacrifice kuwe but lokho uyakuthatha kunjalo.
Yile mhlobo.
Nikeza abanye abantwana lama trophy wathathayo uzowina ileague.
Banikezile last season.
So Orlando 15 years.
Banikezile last season.
Bathi kunomntwana manje uyenze first year ku tertiary. Uyenze first year ku tertiary since aqala grade 1 ugcine kuthatha ileague Shane. So zama kulungisa sacrifice Shane nami ngizongena. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.